In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet to Nova Trade Plus. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to the new Nova Plus website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% cashback on all trading fees while trading meme coins. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. So once you do that here, of course, you want to go ahead and click on Select Wallet. Select the wallet that you want. For me, I'm going to go with the Phantom wallet, and then click Connect Wallet, and then the pop-up for the wallet is gonna show up. You have to first unlock it. Okay, so just type in your password like this. There we go. Press unlock. Oh, for me it wasn't correct, so let me actually do that again. Okay, unlock, and then here you want to click on the confirm button. And then again, you're going to have to sign the message. So click on confirm again. And after this, it's going to sometimes ask you if you want to put in the referral code. And if you want the 20% cashback, you can use this code, which is mine. So IHT, you can type that in and then press continue. And then you'll be good to go. As you can see, you will get the access to Nova over here. And that's pretty much it. So if you want any more tutorials on Nova, I have a lot of them on my channel. So go watch them and then we'll see you there. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.